Well, welcome in the lab. It happens to be in Düsseldorf today. There might be somewhere else tomorrow. Where we started off this morning is looking at some of the work done recently, which we felt like was already pushing the boundaries, but what we're talking about today now is how can we make experiences very much directly related to human senses with lots of soul in it? How can we overcome our own vocabulary talking about data as if it's something functional, something technical?
MyMind is a proposition for a future connected world, and basically what we're trying to do is to create an ecosystem or a service platform where users can separate data, the model of data and applications coexisting together in the internet, and just breaking that apart so that people have their own data that belongs to them, so it's about privacy and identity, but also they can access it through different applications and different, let's call it for now, software or ways to interact. In the future context, what we look at is basically this platform has different areas. So the first area is your content that belongs to myself, and ways to, or tools to access this content. So you have something that we call the universal communications. We have something that for now we call it the augmented reality sort of service layer. And then we have universal controls or physical user interfaces. Why is that? Because we're going to move a little bit forward from the idea of just using mobiles as a hardware interface and navigations into a larger scale where we have devices that are connected to this data and also environments that are connected to this data. Currently at this moment what we are trying to understand is how to allow users to collect this data and see it in the context of a larger place where you have everything, you're incredibly connected. So we're exploring concepts such as gravity, drift, affinity, and the data tunnels, which is a mechanism to access the data. And that's it. That's the scope of this project. Thank you very much.